YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be checking out your renders. It is currently 1:55 a.m. It's raining, it's cold, and yeah, I want to check out your creation from end. What should I do to make this better? Let's check it out. Okay, so you have a galaxy. It's a guy walking on the moon with a sword and a giant accessory. My suggestions would be to choose a better background and to also make the lighting better, and also this moon thing right here. I don't know, it looks like a meatball, so I'll fix that. Also, these little planets here could be better. Right now they're just green balls. I would give this like a solid 5 out of 10. Next, my first GFX from Haste. What is that? Oh, I thought this was a chicken or something. Anyways, my first GFX, I'm not entirely sure what the background is. I think this part is way too overexposed, and I think the material on the head is way too shiny. It looks like glass, right? And the background. My suggestions would be to make the character to take up a lot more of the screen. I would fix the background, and I would choose something else. Is this a lost cause? Actually, I really like what's going on here. Me personally, I would maybe make the overall color, the tone, turn it into blue and have the green shine through. I think that would make it look much more cinematic, darker and more concentrated, I guess. I really want to edit this image and show you what I mean. So alright, so here it is. Let's see what I can do. Don't want to take up too much time, but take a look right here. I think just this contrast greatly improves the artwork. I know you sent a reference image in the Discord that was different, but just me personally, I think this looks better. So I'm gonna go with this and see how it turns out. So let's keep adding more effects here. I like how this looks pretty cool. Alright, so right here, let's go for this, but let's take our brush and paint over here to keep this green. I think that's fine. And alright, so like this, and let's take our brush tool. I'm gonna paint right here, like so. Boom. I'm gonna go soft like that. This is fine. And then I'm gonna go a new layer. I'm gonna go for my pencil. Go for something like this. Let's see how this looks. Right here. So filter, blur, and let's go blur, mesh. Let's change the mode to overlay first. Boom, and soft lights. So I think some lighting showing here is a good idea. And let's also paint here. And here as well. Let's go for overlay. And now a new layer, let's go for my gradient tool, radial. Just like that. And now I'm gonna go for exposure. I'm going to lower the exposure, increase the offset right here, just a little bit gamma correction, just a slider. You see this? Let's turn this to 35. Now I'm gonna take everything in group of this up. Control E, Control A, Control J, Control J again. Let's go camera raw filter, and we're gonna apply some finishing touches. Let's go for. Alright, you can increase the texture. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna increase the texture here and also clarity right here. You will see why in a second. Sure, this makes it more detailed, but I have a different idea in mind. Okay, so with this, let's copy, Control J, let's go back. And right here, I am going to decrease the texture and also decrease it. Actually, I'm gonna increase this. Boom. Alright, now I'm just gonna erase some parts. Boom. Alright, there you have it. This is my finished result. This is how the before looked like, and this is the after. It's just a lot more contrasted. I know it wasn't exactly what you were going for, but I do think it looks better. Or it's the adjustments I can make with what I have, which is one single flat image. Alright guys, I'm sorry to cut this video short. There is not enough time. However, if you guys do want me to continue reacting and rating your work, I will absolutely do so. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to stay tuned. New videos every single day. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.